Honda and Nissan in talks to potentially merge. What's behind the momentous discussions? We investigate.
Honda, Nissan, even Mitsubishi are considering merging.
The future of mobility will not be differentiated by conventional hardware, but by intelligence and electrification.
Honda's CEO saying tectonic shifts are taking place in the industry and bold moves are needed, in particular for Honda.
Where they lack is trucks. They sell the Ridgeline, but they don't sell real off-road vehicles. And that's where Nissan can come into play. They make the Armada. They sell the Frontier.
Auto expert Lauren Fix says she expects more body-on-frame type trucks added to Honda's lineup. If they merge, they'll create the world's third largest car maker by number of cars made, behind Toyota and Volkswagen. This would help Nissan especially as it's slashing thousands of jobs amid failing profits.
My guess is that the Japanese government got involved and said, listen, you can't let one of our largest car companies die because they can't make things work, so you need to work together.
Fix says without a merger, Nissan and Mitsubishi could cease to exist.
A potential alliance or partnership between the two companies are going to be another company fighting for survival.
Former Nissan CEO Carlos Ghosn says he believes the merger will not be successful. He says the companies don't complement each other enough. There's too much duplication. He says Nissan has made numerous mistakes and that he has no confidence in its current leadership.
For which they are surrendering in a certain way in a panic mode by saying, please help us. They're turning to an arch rival of Nissan, which has been Honda. And what's interesting is Honda, as you know, has no experience in alliances.
He says a merged company would struggle against Toyota, Tesla, and even Chinese automakers.
Coming up, a former